Okay, here we have one database, that is the information related to desktops. Here we have serial number, configuration, department and quantity. So in configuration we have this data, that is the brand and model and processor information, then RAM, hard disk and monitor. Now the department and then quantity. We have a total of 124 entries like this. If I want to extract some summary data from this database, we can use pivot table. For that, what we have to do, use insert. In pivot table option, select first from table or range. So this window will open. First one is select a table or range, where we have to select the database range from which we are generating the summary data, and then where you want to place the pivot table. Here I want my pivot table to be placed. Select OK. Now we can see we have all the columns displayed here: serial number, configuration, department and quantity. Now I will drag this department column to this rows box. Now all the department names are displayed here. I want a total number of desktops in each department, so I will drag and drop the quantity here. Now we can see all the department's total number of desktops are displayed. If you want the configuration wise data within each department, then select configuration and drag and drop here below the department. So now you can see the administrative office, biotechnology, central computing, all the department wise, and within that configuration wise details. Now I will remove this department column. Now you can see only the configuration wise data is displayed, that is the institute wise now. So if I want to apply one filter for department, I will drag and drop the department column to this filter box. Here I will choose one of the departments, computer science. Now this is the details, these are the details of computer science department system wise configuration. Similarly we can just try any other department also. You can see the details of desktops of electronics and communication department. Now we can change the layout also. Here right click, select pivot table options. Here in the display tab, check this classic pivot table layout, click OK. Now you can directly drag and drop the column here. Now I will select this department. Now you can see the department first, and then configuration and the total number of desktops. So like this we can extract the summary data. Now we have this department and quantity. If what happens when we update the master database here, I will change the quantity here. Number of desktops in central computing center, just I have changed it, and here you click anywhere and right click and refresh button, then the quantity is updated in the pivot table also. This is how we can use pivot tables for getting the summary information. This is another database, that is the HR data. We have employee name, employee ID, gender and position. Now I am trying to create pivot table for this. We have more than 3000 rows in this database. Here I will select this gender column and drop it here in the rows box. Then again the gender in the values box. We have got the total number of female employees and total number of male employees. Now if I want the department wise split up, drag and drop the department column here. Now you will get the required data.